Did you know that kicking a ball can actually change your brain?
Wait, what? Change my brain? No, that sounds bad.
No, it is good. Welcome back to English Pod Center, guys. I'm Luna.
And I'm Lucas, and I really do not like running.
I know you don't, but sports are the best thing ever.
For you, because you always run everywhere.
I do. My favorite sport is, wait, can you guess what it is?
Sleeping?
Very funny, Lucas. No, it is basketball.
Basketball, right, with the big orange ball.
Exactly. But a lot of people, maybe like you, they think sports are too hard or too scary.
Yeah, because people yell and you get so tired so fast.
Right. The problem is people think they have to be perfect.
I am not perfect. I fall down a lot.
We all fall down. But sports are they're just games.
Games? Like video games?
No. Body games.
Body games. That sounds weird, Luna.
Okay, bad name. But listen, you move your body and you play. That is it.
So I just move?
Yes, it is not hard. Let me explain it.
Okay, wait, let me get my pen.
You do not need a pen. Just listen to me.
Fine, I am listening.
Okay, think about putting trash in a bin.
Trash in a bin. Okay, I do that every day.
Is it fun?
No, it's just cleaning.
Right, but what if the bin is really high up?
Then I miss, and the trash is on the floor.
Exactly. But if you throw it in and it goes in perfectly.
Oh, that feels good. I like that feeling.
Yes, that is basketball.
Wait, really? Basketball is just throwing trash?
Yes. Well, no, but kind of. The ball is the trash.
Okay.
And the tall net is the bin.
Oh, now I get it.
See? It is very, very simple.
But what about the other people? The tall guys trying to stop me?
Well, that is the game part. They want to put their trash in the bin too.
And I have to stop them?
You got it. You block them. You say, no trash for you.
No trash for you. I like that. That is funny.
It is. When you look at it like that, it is not scary, right?
No, it is. It is actually kind of silly.
Exactly. Sports are silly. We just make up rules to have fun.
Okay, but I still get tired. Running is really hard, Luna.
I know. But when you have fun, you forget you are tired.
Really? Because my legs do not forget.
They do. When you want to win the game, your brain says, keep going.
So the fun hides the tired?
Yes, the fun hides the tired. That is a great way to say it, Lucas.
Wow, I am so smart today.
Sure, let's go with that.
Hey, what does that mean?
Nothing. Anyway, you just have to start slow.
Start slow. Okay, how slow? Like walking?
Yes, exactly. Just walking.
But walking is not a sport.
Well, it is a start. You walk to the park, right?
Yeah, I guess so.
Then maybe you take a ball.
A ball? Okay. What kind of ball?
Any ball. A soccer ball, a basketball.
A bowling ball?
No, not a bowling ball, Lucas. Too heavy.
Oh, right. My legs would really be tired then.
Very tired. So you take a light ball and you just play for 5 minutes.
5 minutes? That is nothing.
Exactly. It is easy.
Oh, now I get it. Make it so easy I cannot say no.
Yes, that is the secret.
Wow, Luna, you are like a sports ninja.
I like that. A sports ninja.
So wait, I play for 5 minutes. Then what?
Then tomorrow you play for 6 minutes.
6 minutes. I think I can do 6 minutes.
See? It is all about small steps.
Small steps. Like baby steps?
Yes, baby steps.
But I am a big man. I want big steps.
Big men can take small steps too.
Okay, fair point.
Let's do a quick test, a practice test.
Oh no, a test? I hate tests.
It is a fun test. Close your eyes.
Okay, my eyes are closed.
Imagine you have a ball.
Uh-huh. It is red.
Good. You are in a park with your best friend.
Bob? I am with Bob.
Sure, you are with Bob. Bob throws the ball to you.
I catch it.
Awesome. Are you tired right now?
No, I feel good. I caught the ball.
Right, because you are thinking about the fun, not your body.
The fun hides the tired. You said it before.
Exactly, Lucas. It is like a magic trick.
A magic trick in my brain.
Yes, so we want everyone listening to try this.
Oh, right. You guys listening right now.
Yes, you. What is a small step you can take today?
Maybe just put on your running shoes?
That is a perfect example. Just put them on.
Do not run. Just look at them.
Well, maybe walk to the door too.
Okay, walk to the door. That is enough for one day.
We want to know your favorite sport.
Yes, tell us. Is it soccer? Basketball?
Or maybe just fast walking in the mall.
Shopping is my favorite sport.
Shopping is not a sport, Lucas.
It is if you do it fast.
Okay. Please subscribe to English Pod Center.
Yes, follow English Pod Center for more fun.
And tell us your small step in the comments.
See you next time, Sports Ninjas.